Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Optum Bank. If you'd like to enroll into online banking so that you can get access to your account right from your mobile devices or your computer whenever you want or wherever you are, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser and in the URL box at the top type in www.optumbank.com and press enter. Right from the homepage of Optum Bank, which looks like this, if you already have an account, you can click on this sign in button and enter your credentials to log into your account. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet and you'd like to do so, you can click on this new user register for online access link right beneath the sign in button. Soon after you click on that, you'll be taken to a next page. On the next page, you'll need to enter your personal information in the text boxes in order to register. Start by entering your first name in the first text box and then type in your last name on the next. Type in your date of birth information starting from your month, day, and year. Type in your zip code in the next text field. Select the registration method you want to use by clicking on this drop down and clicking on one of the options that says Social Security Number or Employee ID. You can go ahead and enter any one of them if you have it available right in your hand. You can go ahead and select any one of them and then type in the rest of the information. In my case, since I've chosen the Social Security Number, let me go ahead and type in the last 6 digits of my Social Security Number. Click on the Continue button and your account will be verified and you'll be taken to a next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and finish your registration process for enrollment. That is how you'll be able to sign up for Optum Bank account if you'd like to enroll into online banking. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.